Because it has to be something that we enjoy. It has to be something that we're good at and that we have the strengths for or the talents for that we can be good at as well. So write down your strengths-based goal. So if we want to close one sale per week, we just need to reach out to 15 people per week. We cannot control whether a client will get a plan from us or not, or how much the plan is. However, we can definitely control the activities that we need to do in order to close a plan. And that means consistently contacting prospects on a regular basis. Setting a daily contact commitment gives you the confidence to meet a goal that you're able to control. It allows for consistency both of your day and for your business. It gives you something to celebrate even when other parts of the day were not so good. And it keeps you from getting distracted by the aspect of the business that's not making you money. It also drives you to become more efficient and it forces you to ask for more referrals. That is something that you can actually do. Lastly, encircle yourself with the right people. There's this saying that you are the average of the 5 people that you're closest with. If you're surrounded by 5 individuals who are committed to making a difference, you will be committed to making a difference as well. I want you to find not just the purpose of life, but to find the purpose in life. Go out and find meaning in your day-to-day journey. Go out and do meaningful work today. Ignite with full purpose because doing so allows you to do meaningful work every day.